In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create chart of accounts templates in QuickBooks Online Accountant. A solid chart of accounts is the backbone of clean financial reporting, and building a reusable template can save you time and keep your clients' books consistent. Start by logging into QuickBooks Online Accountant. Once you're in, head to the left-hand menu. Under Bookmarks, select Chart of Accounts. This is where you'll see the full list of accounts for the firm or client file you're working in, and it's where we'll build the template. At the top right, click the New button to add your first account. A new account form will open. Begin with the account name. Use clear, standardized names, like office supplies, so anyone on your team instantly understands what the account is for. Next, choose the account type. This sets the high-level category on your financial statements, such as bank, expense, income, asset, liability, or equity. Pick the type that reflects how the account should appear on your reports. After that, select the detail type. This adds specificity within the account type and guides how QuickBooks classifies transactions. Choose the detail that most closely matches the account's purpose. If this account belongs under a broader category, check. Make this a sub-account and select the parent account. Sub-accounts help you group related items, making reports easier to read. In the description field, add any optional notes, like usage guidelines or examples, to keep things consistent across clients. If you're setting up a beginning balance, enter the opening balance and select the A's of date. Use an accurate date that aligns with your starting point. If you're building a template for future use rather than setting up a live file, you can leave the balance blank and add it later in the actual client file. When you're done with this account, click Save and Close to return to the list, or Save and New to immediately create the next account. Save and New is great when you're building out a full template because it keeps you in the flow. Repeat this process for every account you want included in your template. Keep names consistent and the structure logical, so your reports are clean and comparable across clients. When your list is complete and you're ready to reuse it, export the chart of accounts. At the top right, click Run Report or Export, then choose Export to Excel. This will generate a spreadsheet version of your chart of accounts that you can store and reference as your template. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.